how we will be different from other players in the market, and every other problem that we tackle along the way. So I have to honestly admit that whatever success ICICI Prudential has achieved is the success of the team. I have been the catalyst, and I think the catalyst plays a role, but I have only been the catalyst.
Very interesting. You know, Anita Ratnam, and I'll let you know a small secret. I don't know if she can remember that far back, but her parents and my parents were very close friends, and we used to play tennis together and everything. And Anita and I used to be in the pram together. I tend to remember that very clearly. Did you feel any pressure at all when you, for example, when you get on and you perform in front of hundreds of thousands of people, you're on television, you know, if people know what you're doing, it's easy to find a mistake. You see, the advantage we have in tennis, when we play tennis, is you could serve 2 double faults in the game and still hold serve. So you're excused for those 2 double faults, unless of course the game is very off. But as far as you're concerned, if you make a mistake on the floor and you're on television, I mean, that's a monumental mistake. It's like gymnastics in the Olympics. You can't afford that mistake. You think that? You feel that pressure?
I don't think I've ever felt pressure when the green light is on or when it's time to put my foot on the stage. I think the pressure is all building up just before that. It's all the butterflies, it's all the, oh my God, I can never do this, I'm going to forget it, I won't remember. But one of the, I think the great strengths I realized, I didn't know it until it was called upon from within me, was all the years of mugging by rote that I did you know, as a child in Indian schools. And all the reams and reams of shlokas that I was just, you know, I just had to recite on weekends. And what happened was, many times on live TV in New York, we didn't have teleprompters. We just had to write the script and just deliver. And in the 80s, technology was much more burdensome, much more cumbersome. The Betacam and all had just come in, and we weren't allowed to make a mistake. I remember when Mrs. Gandhi was assassinated, and